the 24th November, there were campaign activities of the new presidential candidate in Kawempe North and Kawempe South. Now, we want to register some concerns where we registered a number of injuries and vandalism of security infrastructure, which includes vehicles by a number of their supporters. Actually, we registered 7 casualties of police, including the army officers who sustained serious injuries. Like I've said, security vehicles were also damaged by the crowd, which included an ambulance. Security personnel responded using public order measures to control the rowdy crowds. We have also managed to arrest 7 suspects in connection with these incidents. We strongly condemn the hooliganism displayed today and stress that such behavior is unacceptable. It will be met with firm action. We met these teams, we agreed on the grounds, we agreed on the routes, so it is very disappointing to find that our officers could be stormed without any provocation. And like we have warned that all this kind of behavior shall be dealt with firmly. Let them not abuse our conduct of trying to restrain ourselves. It does not in any way depict weakness. We are trying as much as possible to ensure that this election is policed without incidents. Thank you.